Hey guys, it's a snow day today, and this is the outside. It's blizzard. That's the thick glass on our back door. Like, it was just pouring off the house a minute ago. It was like... There it goes again. Better come over to this window. You guys heard it, I think. It's like... Just look at that one. Let's pan back a little bit. There we go. Right there. It's like pouring down. Boom. Everything's covered. Now I'll go up to the upper level, because that was from our living room. I'm going up to the upper level on the side of the loft. And gonna get some more up there. The snow's like pouring off the freaking house. It's like... Woo. That's the wind. The wind comes through this window because see, there's a gap. It's just the wind through the screen, so consider the screen. Oh, just got a little bit of snow on my hand. So yeah, that was that. Now I'm just go into my room and let's see what it looks like from the opposite side of the house. This window, because see, it's actually full for this window right there, so nothing gets in. And so there's that. Right here, there's not a lot coming down on the side, but still really white. So yeah, that was a snowstorm on 3/23/16.